everyone, this is Librarian Maggie here with our December craft. If you registered for this program, you're going to get a mason jar in your kit, a brush, some twine, a tea light, a little berry pine cone pick, a bow, and you're also going to have a little cup, different than this, of Mod Podge. And you're going to have some glitter and Epsom salt, which I already have mixed here. So those are all the things that are going to be in your kit if you registered. And if you're at home, thank you for joining. So what I have started with is, like I said, I already mixed my glitter and my Epsom salt. So it should look really pretty. It's supposed to look like snow. And I have my Mod Podge ready. You could use Elmer's glue also if you happen to have that at home and don't want to go to the store. And we're going to take our lid off. We're not going to need this. You can put it in the recycling or save it for later for another craft. And we're going to coat our mason jar here in the Mod Podge. And that's why the foam brushes are much better for this than a bristled brush would be. If that's what you have at home, that's probably fine. It's just that this is easier to use. And you just want to make sure you get a really good coating on. That way our mixture sticks to it. Okay, now you can do the bottom if you would like to. I'm not going to. A tea light's going to go in there anyway, and you're not really going to see it. So, because glitter can get everywhere. So I'm going to skip the bottom of mine. If you'd like to do it, you can. That's totally fine. And now you are going to do the messy part. Get your mixture ready. If you haven't, mix it together. And you're just gonna make sure you coat your whole jar. As you can see, I have a paper towel here. I do recommend putting something down before you start this. It'll be quite a bit easier for you to clean up when you're done. Okay, so you should have a nice coating on there if you did the Mod Podge correctly. And like I said, this is going to be a mess. We'll clean up at the end. You want to get a hot glue gun plugged in now so we can finish our decorations after the next step. Okay, so now you're going to take your piece of twine and you're just going to wrap it around your jar right at the top. You can wrap it around as many times as you would like. It should go around at least 4 times with the amount of twine that I provided you. Oop, I missed a spot right there. And really, any step of this is optional. If you don't want the twine, that's okay. If you want to make a bow with just this, that's fine too. And if you want to do actually what I'm about to do, don't tie your twine off just yet. You can take our hot glue gun and you're gonna glue your pick here. And then we will tie our twine around it. Just stick it on like so. And then just for a little extra added support, we're gonna tie a knot around it. Just like that. Now is your chance to make a bow with it if you'd like. I'm not going to. I'm just going to tie it off like that. And cut my ends off. And now I'm going to stick my little bow on. To cover up my knot. And there you have it. There is your snowy luminary. I'm just going to get this out of the way so you can see it a little bit better. And final step is to get your tea light. And just drop it right in. And I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see it a little bit better. And it just looks really, really pretty. So I hope you have enjoyed this fun craft for the winter, and I will see you all in our next video.